And right over here, where this now abandoned building is, that that's just rotting away and doing nothing. That was built 30 years ago in 1994 or 1993. They tore down the milk factory that used to sit here on this land in 1992. So this is where the Lindenhurst milk factory used to stand back before this dump was built in 1992. This is the old Waldbaums shopping center that's been closed for 10 years now, since 2016. I like this area a lot better when it was the milk factory. I like this side a lot better when it was the milk factory back in the back in the 80s. Now we got a building that's doing nothing, just riding away. But here we go, guys. The Long Island Railroad, Babylon branch line. And that's the Lindenhurst train station. That's where we were just at 2 minutes ago. We went up way over there, and then we just walked it, and then we ended up coming down on the other side here. So just the Lindenhurst railway station right here. So yeah, guys, this is where the old Lindenhurst milk factory was, Tucson. Tucson Milk used to be here, and now it's a dump. That's just sitting doing nothing, and there's garbage in the parking lot, glass, broken bottles, grass growing. We're rotting. It's a fucking eyesore, guys. It's a fucking eyesore. Weeds starting to grow now. So yeah, I like this side when it was the Lindenhurst Milk Factory a lot better. Now that's the street right over there that was demapped because of this building right here. That street used to run right through this property. So yeah, this is the old Lindenhurst Waldbaums that's been closed for the last 10 years, since 2016, and it's doing nothing now. It's all boarded up and everything else. There's grass growing in the parking lot. There's garbage in the parking lot. So yeah, we got a vacated building now, abandoned building here doing nothing. It's a lot better when it was the milk factory. At least the milk factory was operating until it was torn down in 1992. We got a fucking sign up there doing nothing too. And we got Triggs here too. So yeah, it's a dump. Guys, if you've been watching me for the last 5 years, you know how upset I am about this. You know how upset I am about this. I was here performing with the Linux High School Marching Band as a beat drummer for the grand opening of this place behind me. I was here for the grand opening of this place in December 1994 when this place opened up for business. And now it's just a dump. Look at that. The paint is coming out the sidewalk now. It's uh, breaks my heart. Breaks my heart. That building's been closed for 10 years now, and they're not even doing anything, which pisses me off. Our own town and village officials won't do a damn thing about that. I'm very upset and pissed off about that. I've been I've been ranting about that place for the last few years. So I wish it was. I wish they were open up a shopping center, but they won't.